Heavy Vehicle Inspection Maintenance App, an innovative cloud-based application to inspect and maintain your heavy-duty vehicles using a mobile-first approach. HVI App is rated number 1 by drivers, operators, mechanics, fleet safety, and maintenance managers. HVI App is used by 100,000 plus users worldwide in 75 countries and 10 plus languages. Software is a great fit for any business looking to manage paperless inspection, maintenance, or full suite including incident reporting and fuel logging. Keep your vehicles up and running 24/7 with direct cost savings. Using traditional ways, the inspection and maintenance of heavy vehicles, construction fleet, and industrial machinery can be very tiring and time-consuming. It reduces efficiency, productivity, and costs lots of money. Reduce overall maintenance cost within weeks and ensure compliance. Safe operating environment for your workforce. Upgrade from traditional ways of inspection and maintenance to powerful, cutting-edge digital technology. HVI empowers all fleet members with innovative iPhone, iPad, and Android app, including traditional desktop portal. Record inspection findings, included marked images, voice notes, and signatures with instant ready-to-share PDF inspection report of equipment and heavy machinery. HVI integrated inspection and maintenance ensures one-click creation of work order from inspection fault findings. Work orders can be planned for a future date, assigned mechanic, job task added automatically from faulty inspection report, and you can add an estimation of hours to finish, an estimated cost, and also assign labor code to track labor costing. Empower your mechanics with latest technology and keep maintenance cost in control. Your technician can see order status, priority, due dates, and plan their day accordingly via app. On new work orders, mechanic immediately receives email, text message, and can see an app on what's upcoming. Very simple to use mobile app interface to execute work orders. Record time spent on work order via automatic app timer. Check team comments. Scan part barcode to record material and parts to a work order. On completion of work order, immediate email notification sent to supervisor that all corrective actions are taken, and the work order is complete. Driver gets opportunity to verify corrective action and sign all is safe to back to business. Hooray! Your vehicle is back on the road. No more paperwork, no phone calls or chasing people. All digital records available anywhere, anytime for audit and compliance. Now that's called teamwork. For remote sites, HVI App works entirely offline with an auto-sync feature. Across the fleet, it maintains a high speed of communication, accuracy, and quality of information for audit and compliance. The driver can file an incident report, submit fuel logs, and know when the next schedules of preventative maintenance are coming. Cloud Secure Database also keeps all required paperwork on past inspections and maintenance conducted on the vehicle. What a great way to cut down on overall operational costs. Average HVI customers can reduce downtime by 34%, increase productivity by 17%, and reduce maintenance and repair cost by up to 20%, achieve in less than 3 months. So, start the journey of digital transformation with paper-free record keeping, secure access from anywhere, anytime to all team members. Visit heavyvehicleinspection.com today and sign up for free and begin your journey to productivity, cost reduction, and resource management. Heavy Vehicle Inspection Maintenance App, a better way to inspect and maintain all kinds of vehicles.